As a teenage kid, lying in bed, I would look across at the posters hanging on my bedroom wall and see the pictures of the many gorgeous supercars of the era. There were Ferraris, Bugattis, and Lamborghinis. At the time, the thought to even see one in real life, to touch them, to feel them, to even get behind the wheel would have seemed but a dream. But let me tell you, dreams do come true. I give you the Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. This is the latest in a long line of tarmac munchers from the bulls of Italy. And I'll tell you what the fuss is all about. In a world of modern supercars which are all about electric motors and hybrid engines and turbochargers which are making big power out of small engines, this Huracan Tecnica with its 5.2 litre V10 naturally aspirated power plant making 640 horsepower, it's a throwback to the supercar we all loved. Let me put it this way. While most modern supercars feel like you're riding the Shinkansen bullet train, which is smooth and effective and fast, this Huracan Tecnica feels like I've got the rocket Apollo 11 strapped to my back. It is violent and visceral and screams, "Hang on for dear life!" Sweet Lord Almighty! Now there have been many versions of the Huracan before. There was the base Evo, the track-focused STO, and also the safari-style Sterato. But this Huracan Tecnica is Lamborghini's cherry on the cake. They are a masterpiece to what has been a supercar that has captured the world's attention for the last decade. With its stiffer chassis, aggressive aerodynamics, functional rear wing, lightweight carbon fiber, and rear wheel steering, this Huracan Tecnica bridges the gap between road and track. Absolutely perfect. The gear change is absolutely spot on. And the down change is like the symphony orchestra of pistons and rods in full force. It is absolutely delightful. Whoa! The stopping power of these carbon cerametallic brakes are just absolutely insane. It's like my eyeballs are popping out whenever I try to hit them really hard. Years and years of racecraft and building supercars, and Lamborghini may be now at the top of that ladder, and they're turning out machines that are absolutely insane. The Huracan Tecnica is so agile. It has rear wheel steering and rear wheel drive, but it has so much grip. Second. Third. 8,000 RPM. Wow. This Huracan Tecnica is an absolute assault on the sensors. As you'd expect, this car has all the goodies that you'd come to see from one of the best supercar manufacturers in the world. But this car, this particular car, is a little bit different. You see, it's like the owner went to a Michelin star restaurant, and after he ordered a steak, he ordered another, and another. And after that, he ordered dessert. Not once, not twice, but many, many times over. You see, this car, as optional extras, has a carbon fiber front bonnet, carbon fiber door panels, carbon fiber footwells, carbon fiber AC vents, carbon fiber bucket seats, a titanium roll cage, the telemetry pack, and so many more goodies that in fact the list is so long that it would be impossible for me to say the whole thing here right now. So we'll probably link it in the description of this car. It's just unbelievable. I don't think that there is any other Huracan Tecnica in this spec, in this color, which is Arancio Xanto paint, or for us layman's orange, in the world. This car is truly one of a kind. So, the question beckons, how does one get down from a very expensive supercar? Well, the answer is not very gracefully. I always found that sliding the seat back helps a little bit. And then one foot out, a little assistance from the seals, and voila. That wasn't so bad, was it? Moving to the front of this car, one of the things that really caught my attention are these Y-shaped air vents, as you can see here. They're similar to the Lamborghini Sian and also the Terzo Bilenio hypercar that Lamborghini produced. They increase downforce while channeling air to the back of the car. But to me, this kind of looks like the flux capacitor from the movie Back to the Future in the 80s, turned the other way about. 88 miles per hour is no game for this car. It will go past 200 with ease. The side profile of this Tecnica is also very similar to the other Huracans. Of course, we have these beautiful 20-inch Damiso wheels. And as we move to the back, Lamborghini have managed to blend beauty with a purpose. We see this wing. While it may not be as big as the one on the STO, it does provide 35% more downforce and 25% less drag. At the back, we also see these big bore exhaust pipes and large air vents, which all provide to help send the hot air out of the car and increase downforce. It's no surprise that the Tecnica is so beautiful, as the Huracan was a great base to start with. While I could spend hours just looking at the gorgeous lines of this car, I could spend even a few more hours listening to that gorgeous V10. So what is it like, ownership of the Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica? Well, for starters, you can't be shy. It'll grab you more attention than a third world dictator. It also grants you access to an exclusive club, a club of supercars with like-minded individuals who enjoy driving them. And in the end, when you own one of these cars, it's all about the ultimate driving pleasure. It is the ultimate weapon for the petrol head purist.